Hey everyone, welcome to this video. We are currently in Waikiki, Hawaii, and in this video I'm going to show you my new collection, which I'm really excited about. It's called Daisies and Pearls, so let's get to it. When starting a new jewelry collection, what I like to do first is gather some inspiration photos. So here you can see on the screen, I've just gathered all these photos that I liked. And they all have a few things in common. They all use a lot of pearl beads and these 90s clay beads as well as daisies. So that's sort of the theme of this new collection. What do you think?
So yes, I'm on vacation starting this new jewelry collection. I mean, what better time to start a jewelry collection now that I have all this free time during my vacation? I do take my beads typically with me when I travel. I find this is the best time when I am most inspired and creative to start a new project. So yes, I am beading in bed here. I mean, how typical of me. For me, this is the best time to get projects done when I am cuddling in bed watching a movie. This is the time when I work on all my beading projects. So for this jewelry collection, I will be creating a lot of daisies and using this daisy bead weaving technique. So this technique is relatively simple. I do cover this daisy technique in another video, so please feel free to watch that video after this one.
I think I caught just the end of it, the last second. I caught the last second.
That's
We
cool.
thought it was a motor of a car. Ooh, look at this night sky. Rooftop patio. We've got one necklace done so far from the collection. It's looking really cute. Going to have a coffee now, even though it's like 30 degrees. Just finished another one. Finished another necklace. So this is the rainbow necklace. There's also some Swarovski crystals in this one. Super cool. This is the all pink necklace. Sunset at Waikiki.
So for the next necklace, I'm going to take inspiration from Pinterest, following this pattern. Okay, on to the next necklace. So to make the daisy pattern, we're picking up 4 of the ivory beads, 1 of the green beads, and sewing back through the first ivory bead. Then we're picking up 3 more ivory seed beads, These 3 seed beads will then complete the other half of the petals by sewing back through the opposite side of the flower. So unfortunately, our beautiful vacation is now over. So now it is time to finish this collection and post everything on my Etsy shop and advertise like crazy. So now it is time to put clasps and extenders on everything. I know most of my collection seems to be just necklaces, but don't worry, I did get around to making matching bracelets and earrings as well. So please check out my Etsy shop at the end of the video to see the full collection. My Etsy shop is Tiffy Designs. The link will be posted down below. So now I'm going to post my jewelry on my Etsy account. My goal is to try to post 2 pieces of jewelry or 3 a week. So I'm hoping to get as much of the collection up and running as fast as possible. So I'm probably just going to build a template and populate like similar description for each listing. Will make things go by a lot faster, it's for sure. Guess what? I sold my first item from the Daisy and Pearl collection. So excited. So now I'm going to show you how I package my products when I get a sale on Etsy. I do keep everything in one packaging box. It makes things easier for me. Here's the product that was ordered. I start with a piece of tissue paper and fold it in the center. I like to fold in the ends so there are no raw edges showing. I almost forgot to bubble wrap here, so I do bubble wrap on my products just to protect it in shipping. Then we wrap the tissue around the product, and I like to seal it with a pretty sticker so it is packaged nicely. Then I roll in the ends so there are no raw edges, and I just seal it with tape. So once I finish wrapping the product, there will be a pocket in the back where I insert my business card. Lastly, I like to add a handwritten note just to say thank you. This is always a nice touch. So I hope you enjoyed the process of how I create a jewelry collection. I will probably continue to create jewelry for this collection and posting it to my Etsy shop. My Etsy shop is called Tiffy Designs. So if you're interested in checking it out, check out the details below. And anyways, friends, enjoy the rest of the summer. And please like and subscribe as it supports my channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.